Welcome back to Growth Finance. Want to transform your financial future without the hassle? Discover how having multiple income streams can revolutionize your finances, reduce stress, and build wealth. I've done the hard work for you by testing 5 different income streams so you can skip the guesswork and jumpstart your path to financial freedom. Find out which ones really pay off and save yourself time and money in the process. Finding the right income streams can be a real challenge. With so many options out there, knowing where to start can feel overwhelming. You might worry about taking risks or investing time and resources into something that doesn't pan out. Plus, who has the bandwidth to juggle yet another project on top of their busy schedule? With so much advice out there and the fear of trying new things, it can feel overwhelming. That's why testing different income streams is so important. By getting hands-on with various options, we can cut through the confusion and find out which ones are worth your time. This way, you save time and money and focus on what really works. Join me as I test out 5 different ways to make money. Let's find out which ones are actually worth your time. I decided to test several income streams to see which ones really work, and the journey turned out to be quite an adventure. Affiliate marketing was my first stop. I joined the Amazon Associates program focusing on popular tech gadgets. I spent about 10 hours researching top products, creating content, and adding affiliate links to my blog. By using keyword research and studying competitors, I optimized my content for better search engine rankings. I was thrilled to see my first sale come through just a few days after launching my campaign. On average, affiliate marketers can earn between 4% to 10% commission on each sale. For instance, if you promote a $100 gadget, you could earn between $4 to $10 per sale. This early success showed that affiliate marketing has real potential, but requires ongoing content creation and strategic promotion to keep earning. Next, I ventured into selling digital products. I wrote an ebook titled Budgeting for Beginners and used Gumroad for sales. Creating the ebook took about 30 hours, including research, writing, designing, and formatting. After publishing, I promoted the ebook through social media and email marketing, offering a free chapter to attract buyers. On average, digital products like ebooks can earn $5 to $20 per sale. The ebook sold steadily, demonstrating that digital products can be a good source of income when combined with effective marketing strategies. I then explored online freelancing by offering graphic design services on Upwork. Setting up my profile took around 15 hours, including showcasing my skills and creating a compelling portfolio. I started with smaller projects to build my reputation and gain reviews. As I received positive feedback, I began attracting higher-paying gigs. Freelancers on Upwork can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 plus per hour, depending on their skill level and project complexity. Freelancing offered flexibility and the potential to increase earnings as I took on more or higher-value projects. This experience highlighted freelancing's potential for significant growth and income scalability. Before we dive back in, if you're finding this video helpful, entertaining, or just plain awesome, why not hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates? I drop new videos every week, so stay tuned for more great content. Join us as we explore the keys to financial success and help you thrive in the digital world. The 4th income stream I tested was creating and selling an online course. I developed a course titled Mastering Social Media Marketing and launched it on Skillshare, a popular platform for online learning. This project took about 50 hours, during which I created video lessons, designed slide decks, wrote supplementary materials, and structured the course for a great learning experience. To make the course successful, I learned about Skillshare's features, like their community tools and analytics. I used Skillshare's project-based approach to engage students and promoted the course through my social media channels and email list. Once the course was live, it started generating passive income. On Skillshare, instructors typically earn between $200 to $1,000 per month, based on the number of students and their engagement with the course. This experience showed that, although the initial work was substantial, the potential for ongoing earnings made it worthwhile. Skillshare's free platform makes it accessible for anyone looking to share their expertise and earn income. Finally, I explored stock photography by uploading my best photos to iStock, a top site for selling stock images. This project involved about 20 hours, including selecting, editing, and tagging my images to meet iStock's quality standards. I focused on creating high-resolution photos with popular themes like business, technology, and lifestyle, and did keyword research to improve visibility. Once my photos were live, they started generating steady sales and royalties. On iStock, contributors can earn between 15% to 45% commission per sale. For example, a standard image download might earn you $3 to $12, while premium licenses can earn more. iStock's large customer base and effective search tools help my images reach a global audience. Stock photography turned out to be a fun and relatively passive way to earn money. With a good portfolio and quality images, earnings can add up significantly, making stock photography a valuable income source for dedicated photographers. Before we continue, most viewers who watch my channel aren't subscribed, so if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a comment with your age and location. It really helps me understand where you're tuning in from and allows me to create content that's more relevant to you. Exploring different income streams taught me a lot, and I want to share what I learned with you. Affiliate marketing and selling digital products both need regular promotion and fresh content. With affiliate marketing, you earn commissions by promoting products, but it requires ongoing effort to keep up with sales. Selling digital products like ebooks also needs strong marketing to keep sales steady. Freelancing was a great fit for me because it offers flexibility and the chance to earn more as you gain clients. You can set your own schedule and increase your income over time. Creating online courses involves a big upfront effort. It took a lot of time to create and launch my course, but it started earning passive income once it was live. This can be a good option if you're willing to put in the initial work. Stock photography turned out to be enjoyable and relatively easy. After uploading my photos and tagging them, they started generating steady income with minimal ongoing work. However, what stood out the most was the experience of online freelancing. It offered flexibility, the chance to earn good money relatively quickly, and the ability to grow my income as I worked with more clients. It's a fantastic way to use your existing skills and work from anywhere, making it a great option for many people. If you're exploring ways to make extra money, I encourage you to try different options and see what works best for you. Start with what interests you the most and be prepared for some trial and error. The key is to stay persistent and keep learning. Whether it's affiliate marketing, selling digital products, freelancing, or any other method, each has its potential to bring you success. Embracing new opportunities not only opens doors to potential financial growth, but also enriches your personal development. Whether it's through learning new skills, networking with inspiring individuals, or pursuing innovative projects, each step you take builds momentum toward achieving your goals. Remember, every great success story began with a willingness to explore and a commitment to perseverance. Stay curious, keep an open mind, and let your passion guide you. Your future self will thank you for it. Thanks for watching Growth Finance. I'd love to hear from you. What income streams have you tried, and which ones have been the most successful for you? Drop a comment below and let's chat. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with more, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time at Growth Finance, your partner in the journey to financial success.